All of you, welcome back to yet another project video. In this project, you're going to launch your first ever advanced Solana token Airdrop DApp with referral program. So when the user will claim the airdrop, they will get their referral ID and they can share and they can get the referral commission. So tons of feature we have included for the admin as well as the user. So let me give you a complete walkthrough that what exactly you're going to build and launch in this particular project. So once the user will connect their wallet, this is what exactly they will see. Here they will find all the details about the airdrop. So the very first section we have is our header section. You can display your token branding, your icon. We have the navigation section. We have home, we have pre-sales, we have a doc which you can attach, and currently we have this airdrop is live. You can simply connect your wallet and you can disconnect your wallet, and it's for the Solana. That's what I have given the tag. Here we have the hero section where we are displaying the details about the airdrop. So I have called this Solana token airdrop referral, but you can give details about your branding. When the user will share their referral ID, they will earn the commission. So right now the airdrop is live, and here they will find all the stats about the airdrop. So currently we have 4 participants and total distribution of the token we have done is 200. So we are providing 50 token as an airdrop, but you can set any quantity. It's totally up to you. And here you will find that total referral user have received is 3, and this is the total referral we have provided through this airdrop. And here you will find the entire stats about the airdrop which is going on. So currently the total supply of the token we have in the contract is 2012 token is available, and the total token we have distributed is 200, and you will find the remaining token is available in the contract. So you can able to see the stats, and this button is visible because I'm connected with the admin account, which I will show you. So this is the stats section. Here you will find the other details. We have 3 referrals. This is the token we have provided as a commission, and you will have this percentage which you can display any data. And here you will find the details about the airdrop which is going on. So we are providing 50 token as an airdrop. When the user will share the referral ID and the user will use, he going to receive 20 token as a bonus. And this is the total supply of our token which I have created for my token. You will find the token decimal point which is nice, and we have this active progress bar. So this is a dynamic progress bar. It's going to be calculated based on the supply which you're going to provide and how many token is going to be sold. It will be calculated automatically. So we have this status is active. Currently a referral program is active. You will find the token contract, and we have the claim station is open. Now you will come back here, you will find the network where I'm doing all of this testing. So I'm doing on the Devnet, but you can do on the Mainnet as well. We have the program ID. Once we deploy the contract, that's what is reflecting here. And you will find the token mint address. You can see the details. You can click here and you can go back to the Explorer where you can explore the airdrop contract we have deployed, and you can see all the transaction. Then we have is the token view where you can see the details about the token. And here we have the other details about the project. You can simply connect all the links and you can simply redirect the user. So this is the complete overview of the front end. Now let me show you the admin functionality. So you can come back here and you can click here on the admin panel, and you're going to have this admin panel. If you want to deposit more token into the contract, you can click here, deposit, and here you will have the option. You can see how many token you have provided, how many distribution took place, and how many remaining token we have. So if you want to fund the contract with more token, you can simply type the quantity and you can simply fund the contract. So that's how you can able to provide and deposit more token. The next one we have is the analytical section, and here you can able to see all the details about the analytic. The total supply which you have provided, we have the total claim, we have the distributed, we have the remaining token, and we have this active progress bar. Then you can come back to the referral. You can click here, and here you will find the referral details. We have 3 users have claimed the referral, 60 token we have provided, and here you find other details. So this is what exactly we have, all the component, all the interface. Now let me show you every single thing in action, that how user can claim the airdrop. So right now you can see I'm connected with the admin account. So if I disconnect my wallet, this is how it's going to look. So if I click here, if I click on disconnect, I'm disconnected successfully. You will find that it's going to fetch out the stats. Here we'll have this option. I can simply click here and I'm going to connect my wallet, and here I will be connected with the wallet. Now what I will do, I'll come back to my Phantom wallet and I'm going to change my account. So this account number 1 is my admin account. So I'll simply change my account. So just wait, here I got it. Now I'll come back here. I'll go back to account number 2, which I have already used and I have claimed the token. So you will find that I have 19 token here. I got the 50 token and I claimed 20 means 40 token I've got as a referral. And that's what you will find. So let me refresh that page very quickly, and you will find that we got all the details about this particular account. So I have already made the claim. So you can see that's why it's saying successful. You will find that I have claimed successfully. I got 2 referral and total 40 tokens I have got. You will find the details about the contract which is happening, like 4 participants. This is the distribution. This is the referral, and we have 60 token distributed. And this is my referral ID. If I want to share with other user, I can simply copy this referral ID and I can share with the user. I can share with the user, and once they will use my referral ID, I'm going to get the 20 token commission, which I will show you. So now what I will do, I'll simply come back here. I'm going to simply minimize this one and let me show you all the thing in action. So what I will do, first I'm going to claim the token. So I'm connected with the account number this. I'll simply give a quick reload and you will find that every single thing is working fine. I have enough fund for performing the transaction and I got this option. If I want to use a referral, I can simply come back here and I can put the referral address, or I can simply share the URL. So let me share the URL for you. So I'll come back here and I'll come back here and I'm going to simply go to account number, let's say 5. You will find that I have this particular one. I'll give a quick reload in which I'm going to receive the commission. So this is what I have already claimed it. I'll simply copy this particular URL. Now I'm going to change the address, come back to account number 6. Let's give a quick reload. Now you will find that I'm connected with account number 6. Now let's check the referral. So what I will do, I'll simply paste the URL and hit enter. It's going to automatically fill out all the details for me. So you will find that the detail is already filled. This is the address going to receive the referral commission. I'll click on this claim reward and it's going to make a transaction. We have this beautiful loader. Now I'll simply claim, call, confirm, and here the transaction is happening. Once the transaction will complete, every single thing will be updated and you will find that you have claimed your airdrop successfully. Claim, there is no referral, no bonus you have received. You have claimed the token. Total distribution went up to 50, like 250. Earlier it was 200. This is the referral ID. You have got it. Now you can simply share your referral ID. If you check your Phantom wallet, you will find that you have the token in your wallet. So you got it 50. If I check the account number 5 in which we going to receive the commission. So this is what we have received. Earlier it was 50. Now we have 70. In the same way, you can allow the user to claim the airdrop without having a referral. So what I will do, I'll simply come back here and select that one. I'll give a quick reload. So all the state will be changed. And you will find that I can click on this connect wallet. I have the Phantom connected successfully. Let's click confirm. I got it. Now I can able to claim the airdrop. So I haven't claimed the airdrop. So you can see I'm getting this one. Means you have to reload the page. And here you got it. Now you will have the option to claim the airdrop. So you can simply provide that one. Right now you can see we have this address. That's why it's filling it out. I can simply remove it, hit enter. And you will find that right now there is not enable this one. So if you want to add it, you can add it manually or you can simply hide it just like that. And you can simply click on this claim airdrop and you're going to get the 50 token in your wallet. So here you can see the transaction in the pending and we are confirming it. Click on this confirm and find the transaction is completed and we have claimed the airdrop and we got our URL which we can share with the user and they can start claiming the token and we'll receive the commission. So this is how the application would work. Every single thing is working absolutely fine. You can see this one is a really powerful project which allow you to have the control over the token, sell your SPL token. Now I will come back to the admin address and I can show you some of the admin function. So I'll go back to the account number, let's say account number 1. This is the admin. I'll click on this reload, click on reload, minimize this one. Now I can come back here and let's try to call some of the admin functions. So I'll simply click here. I got these details. If I want to deposit more token into the contract, so right now you will find that I have this much token. If I want to deposit more, for example, 88 token, I can click on this deposit token and here the transaction is happening. Once the transaction will complete, you can simply click on this confirm and we are depositing 88 token in the contract. So user can start continue. I have deposited the token successfully. Now you can simply give a quick reload and you will find the token is got updated in our contract. Now it's went up to 2,100. In the same way, you can come back here. You can see all the analytical part. You can see the referral part. Every single thing is looking absolutely fine. So this is how you can launch your airdrop platform with a referral model where user can claim it and they can do the marketing. So when they will get a referral bonus, this one is a perfect strategy to get the user to do the marketing of your project. So this is what exactly we're going to develop. All the feature you have understood that what are the things we have in this project, how it's going to work, and what are the controls we are providing. So this one is a really powerful. We have added the lazy loading system. That is also looking fine. And we have this amazing interface where we are providing all the details. So you can simply launch straight away. Now, let me give you a complete walkthrough and provide you all the resources which you need to develop this particular project, including the final source code. To get the final source code, you can come back to the blockchain coder. And here you will find all the resources which you need to build any type of decentralized application. So come here and check all the 95 projects we have built so far. So make sure to log in, go back to the source code section, and there you will find all the project If you want to build your NFT marketplace, staking dApp, all the project we have. If you want to launch your ICO dApp, that's all we have. So check, at least build 5 projects, then you can able to master complete Solana and Ethereum development. So to get that starter file, you can simply come back here, go back to the recent project, and here you will find it. Click here. It will take you here. Now click on the starter file. It will take you to GitHub, and here you can able to understand all the technology, all the architecture we are following in this particular project, that how the entire contract will work, what are the feature and functionality we have included. So all the resources is provided to all of you guys. So simply clone this particular repository, try to understand the architecture. So click here and download or clone it. When we start working on the project, this is what exactly we're going to do. We're going to clone the repository and we're going to start following straight away. Now let me show you that if you will take the final source code, how you have to do the setup. So those of you who will take the final source code, you will give your valuable contribution to my team to bring more tutorials like this. When you will download the final source code, you will get the zip file. So make sure to extract this particular zip file and you will get this particular folder in which you will have the complete source code of the project, including the smart contract which you have seen in the demo. So make sure to install zip extractor in your computer, then you can able to extract this particular folder. And this is the folder you have to open in your VS Code. So I'll simply click on my code editor. I'll come back to open. I'll go back to desktop, and here I have this particular folder called Solana Airdrop Referral SPL. Now let me give you a complete walkthrough of all the folder infrastructure we have designed for this particular project and how we have designed the entire architecture. So the very first folder we have is the component, in which you will find all the component for this particular application. So I'll tell you what are the changes you have to do from your end. So inside the component, we have a folder called layout, in which you will find some regular component like the footer. If you want to do any editing, you want to add any particular link, you can simply add and you can do all your branding. It's very easy. Here we have the header section where you will find all the details about the header. If you want to promote your branding, add your logo, that's all you can do. So all the white text which you can see, you can easily able to customize that. Once you understand every single thing, then do all the modification. Close this one, come back to index, and this is one is the layout where we are injecting our main component page. So just keep it as it is, don't make any changes. Close this one, close this one. The next one we have is the admin model, in which we are providing all the feature to the admin. So an admin can deposit more token into the contract. So you don't make any changes, just keep it as it is. Close this one. The next one we have is the airdrop status, in which we are providing all the details about the smart contract, that how many token is available. That's all the details you will find. We have the connect wallet button, so you don't have to make any changes. It's a button which allow you to connect with different wallet providers. Then we have the notification component. So when the transaction will take place, this is the notification we're going to shoot and it's going to display. Then the next one we have is the pop-up loader. So this is the advanced loader we have designed, where you can see it's loading and it's showing the process of the transaction. So you don't make any changes. Every single thing is dynamic. I'll tell you what are the changes you have to do. Close this one, come back to the component. The next one we have is the contract. And this one is very important. You have to understand this contract. If you don't understand, it's going to create a huge problem for you for doing of the setup of this particular project. So you will find this is the huge contract we have coded for this particular airdrop with a referral model, where we are tracking the details about the user who have claimed the airdrop, including the referral model, and we are also maintaining the data. So this is the huge contract. It's totally 100% custom. We are not using any library for building this airdrop. It's a 100% custom contract. So there is a lot of data is going to be flow into this particular contract. So the changes you have to do from your end in this particular contract is here. So when you're going to deploy the contract, I'm going to deploy this contract using Solana Playground. So this particular program ID will be generated automatically. So you don't need to make any changes. It will be changed automatically. So just wait, I'll show you. And here you have to do all the changes. And here you have to paste your token address. And here you can define that how much airdrop you want to provide. So I'm providing 50 token, but you can provide any number. Here I'm going with the referral bonus is 20, but you can go with any number. And this particular contract will focus on 9 decimal point. That one is the most common token decimal point you will find on the Solana chain. So I'm focusing dedicatedly to the 9 decimal point. And here you have to paste your token contract address. Right now we have 2 different token models. So we are focusing on stability, and most of the token which you will find on the Solana blockchain focus on stability. So I have already given you the instruction that which model you have to use. So we have this 2 model which you can simply read about it. If you don't have the token and if you want to create and launch your token with the suitable model for this particular smart contract, then I would suggest you to come back here, and we have tons of projects. We can have tons of projects which help you to create the tokens. So like Solana, and here you will find a lot of project we have. You can use this particular project to create your token which follow the same model. And you can also check the advanced token creation model we have. Like you can check this one, or you can simply check this advanced one with the commission fees. You can also check this one. So we have tons of project which will help you to create the token with a preferable model which you have to use. So we are focusing on stability and suitable model for the Solana blockchain. Now come back to the code. Here you will find that there you have to post the address, and here you have to decide that how much airdrop you want to provide and how much bonus you want to give. And it's going to follow the 9 decimal point. This one is very important. And the rest of the thing you can keep it as it is. You don't need to make any changes. Every single thing is 100% suitable for the contract. If you want to customize, first test the way it is, test on the dev environment, do the experiment with all of that. After that, do the modification based on your understanding, based on your comfortability and the feature which you want to provide. So just keep it as it is. Now close this one, close this one, close this one. Now come back to the pages. Here we have this app.js. There you will find that all the configuration we have done for the wallet and managing and handling the errors. So you don't need to make any changes. Every single thing is dynamic. Right now you will find that we have this phantom wallet provider, but you can import multiple wallets. So you can simply import and you can check all the libraries which we have here, and you can simply do all the imports. But phantom is the most suitable provider we have. Now come back to the index file. There you will find this is the complete code we have written for our entire page. So we have tons of features, tons of code we have in this. So you don't need to make any changes. Just keep it as everything as it is. I'll tell you what are the changes you have to do. Close this one. Close this one. Come back to the public, in which I have already explained. This is the image which I have given, in which every single thing is explained that which model you have to use, or you can simply follow the project which I have shown you, and you can create using those projects. It will automatically have this particular model. Close this one, and we have this particular logo. So make sure to change your logo, but give the name as it is, so it will reflect in all the places automatically. Close this one, close this one, come back to the style file. We have the global CSS. You don't need to make any changes. Every single thing is absolutely fine. Just keep it as it is. Close this one. The UI, in which you will find all the UI, all the styling, the images I have given, so you can check that how our UI is going to be look. Now we have to check on the utils, in which you will find that get associated token. So this will allow us to get the details about the token which we want to provide as an airdrop. In the same way, you can come back here, and here you will find the token. This will allow you to give the token details. So you don't need to make any changes. Just keep it as it is. Close this one. Close this one. Now come back to the most important thing, which is our environment variable. And here you have to provide all of this detail. So once you will deploy the contract, you will get the program ID, and that's what you have to provide here. And here you have to provide your token address. So this is the token which I'm going to use and provide the airdrop. And that's what I have provided here. And I'm going to use the same account which I have used for creating my token, and the same account I'm going to use for deploying the contract as well, which we're going to do it together. Okay. So I believe that you have your token. If you have your token, simply paste here. So this is the details which you have to provide. Now close this one, close this one, come back to the get ignore. Just leave it as it is. Don't need to worry about it. Here we have the idle file, means the ABI of our contract. I'll tell you how you can get it. So once you deploy the contract, it's going to be generated automatically, and you have to simply bring it right up here. I'll tell you how you can do it. Now we have this next config. Don't need to make any changes. Just keep it as it is. We have the package.json file. Every single thing is looking fine. We are focusing on the stability, and it will work absolutely fine no matter when you are building this particular project. It will work absolutely fine. Now come back to the post CSS. There you will find that we have done this configuration. Come back to the readme file. There you will find all the details about this particular project and all the important links which you can simply explore. Okay. Then we have the 10-bin configuration. If you want to change the branding color, you can control right from here. But just as of now, just go the way it is. Once you understand every single thing, then you can change the branding and the color. So this is the complete folder and file structure we have for our project. Now, the very first thing we have to do is to deploy our contract. This is the first thing we have to do. Make sure you have to paste the token, create your token, and paste the address right up here. Decide how much token you want to provide and how much referral you want to provide. So first, you have to simply copy the entire contract. Close this one, open a new type Solana Playground. We are using Solana Playground ID. It's an online ID, and you have to use the same Solana Playground. There is right now a lot of fake Solana Playground ID is there. If you connect your wallet and if you try to make any transaction, they're going to steal all your funds. So always search on Google, and from there you try to find it out. So this one is the official URL, official Solana Playground. What I will do, I'll simply delete the project which I have already. So I'll simply click on delete. I'm going to create a new project called this airdrop, and I'm using this anchor framework. Click here and click on create. Now I'm going to simply select all and remove, and I'm going to paste the code, our smart contract right up here. So you will find that this is the token which I'm using, and it will automatically change when I will compile the contract. So let's connect my wallet first. So what I will do, I'll simply click here, go back to my Phantom wallet, and you can see that I'm using this account number 1. And this is the same account which I have used for creating this particular token, which I'm going to provide as an airdrop. So let me find that token. You will find that there is tons of token I already have. I already have tons of tokens, but this is the account I'm going to use for creating the token. So I'll simply copy this one, and that's what I'm going to provide first. So let's come back here, go back to the environment variable. This is the account I have used for creating this token. I'm going to use the same account for deploying the smart contract. So I'll simply come back here, and I'm connected with that. Make sure you are connected with the Devnet. First test on the Devnet, understand every single thing. After that, move to any other network. So if you don't activated your Devnet, you can simply come back here, go back to the, let's say, developer setting, and from here you can activate your Devnet and testnet. So I have activated and I'm connected with my account number 1, and I have this much fun. So let me quickly give a reload. Just give a quickly reload, and you will find that our contract is there. I can click on my wallet and you will find that I already have enough fund. I already have fund. Now you can simply click here and you will see I'm already connected with the same account. Now I'll click on this airdrop and get some airdrop. If you don't have in your wallet, you can see I got this 5 soul, and this fund is enough for deploying the contract. So let's close this here. Now let's close this here. Now I have to simply compile my contract. So I'll simply come back here and I can click on this build, and here is going to compile my contract. If there is a problem in the contract, it's going to throw you an error, and I'm getting this particular issue with the library. So you can simply try one more time. There is no problem in the code. Sometimes the library which compile the contract get failed, and that's the warning you have got it. So just wait, and it's a 100% custom contract. It will take a little bit more space when you will try to execute, perform the transaction. So make sure you should have some enough fund in your wallet. So right now you can see we have done with the compilation. Now I can simply click on this deploy, and you can see this address got changed. And this is the unique ID we have for our contract. So let's click on this deploy, and here I'm deploying. Altogether you have to make 2 transactions. So just wait. Okay, I'm getting this again. This is the problem. What I will do, I'll simply click on this reload. And this particular issue we are having with the library. There is no problem in the code. This is the problem we are having from the Solana playground. So once you reload, make sure you are connected with the exact wallet. I have enough fund. Now I can simply close this one. Let's click on this, like build one more time, because you have reload the page. So make sure to run that build command. It's going to compile it. So I'm getting this warning once again. Let's click on this. This might happening because I already deployed 4 or 5 times this particular contract. So maybe there is some sort of limit. I don't know. So just wait. Soon the contract will get compiled, and after that we can ready to deploy our contract. So just wait. And finally the compilation is completed. Now we can click on this deploy. Just wait. It's going to make a call to our Phantom wallet, and we have to confirm 2 transactions. So we got the first one. Click on confirm. Now we have to make one more call. Just wait. The transaction in the process. We have to confirm one more time, and finally the transaction is completed. You can simply click here. You will come back to the like scan, and there you can able to find the contract which you have deployed. So the hash, you will find all the details, the space, all the transaction costs which you have paid, all the interaction which you have done with the existing contract, all the details which you will find. Now we are done with that. Now all you have to do is to simply copy this particular contract, come back to the code, and you already have this existing contract. Remove and paste here, because right now you have got this updated contract with the updated program ID, and this is the program ID which you have to provide. You can simply get it from here, and you can simply copy, come back to the environment variable, and here you have to provide. I have used the same account for deploying my program and my token. Okay, and you have to do exactly the same thing. So we are done with this. We're done with the environment variable. Now we have to get our idle file. So I'll simply delete my previous one. I'll come back here, and here you will find this one. Click on this export, and it's going to do the export. I already have the idle file, so I can simply remove my previous idle file. So I'll simply click here, delete. Now I can click it one more time and export it one more by. Let's click on export, and here I got it. Now I can come back here, and I'll simply minimize this one, come back here, and I'm going to simply drag and drop in my project in the root directory. And here I got my entire API. Simply save it. You got it. Now let's make on the big screen. So what we have done, we have got our environment variable, token, and the addresses. We got our contract deploy, and we got our idle file. Now we have to simply do the installation of the library, the packages we have, because every single thing is set up. Our contract is already deployed. Now we have to simply open up our terminal. If I show you my node version, I'm using the latest node version. There is no problem in that. So simply type npm, I hit install, and it's going to do the installation of the packages. Once it will be done, you will find your node modules, and we are ready to test our application. And this might take a little bit time. So just wait, let the installation will complete. After that, we are ready to test our application. So finally, we're done with the installation. Simply ignore this particular warning. It's not that important. We are focusing on stability, and we're using the combination of old and new packages. So simply clear up your terminal and type npm run dev at hit enter, and it's going to start our application on localhost 3000. Simply copy that one, minimize this one. You can do this way, or you can do it from here. Don't delete it. Okay, now you can come back here. Let's close all of this open tab. Let's close this one as well. Let's click on the new tab and hit enter, make a request. And here you will find that application is going to be start on our local environment. By default, you will be connected. So I'll simply log out because I was already connected. So I'll give a quick reload and you will find that I'm not connected with the application, and you will find that all the stat is currently loading. So you as an admin has to initialize the contract. So what I will do, I'll simply click on this connect, click on Phantom Wallet, and I'm connected. And this is the same account which I have used for my token creation and the contract deployment. If I show you that the same account I have connected with the same account, which is the admin, now I'm ready to simply initialize the contract and I have enough fund. So I'll come back here. I can click on this admin, and here you will find this particular one option called initialize. So first you have to initialize the contract. So I'll simply click on initialize and have to provide the initial quantity. So I'll go with, let's say, 1000 token I will provide. Make sure you should have this token in your wallet, and I already have in my wallet. So I simply click on this initialize airdrop, and here you will find that our progress is getting up. Now we have to simply confirm the transaction. We are transferring 1000 token to our contract and this much gas fee. Click on confirm and the transaction in the process. And finally, the transaction is completed and we have provided and initialize our contract. Now I can simply click on this reload, and you will find that here we got it. Our application is reloaded, and you will find that we have provided the initial supply. That's what is reflecting here. You will find the remaining token, and I can simply see all the details. You can see the token balance is reflecting that how much supply token we are providing as a airdrop and the token we are providing as a referral. And all of this detail is absolutely fine. Now I can click here in the admin panel and I can deposit more token. I'll click on this deposit. And if I want deposit, let's say, so all I have to do is to simply click on this deposit token, click on deposit token, and it's going to make a call and we are performing the deposit. And we're going to add more supply to our airdrop contract. So you can see this is what we are getting. Click on this confirm. And here we are performing the transaction. We are depositing the token into our contract. And here the transaction is done. Simply give a quick reload and you will find the token is going to be reflecting right up here. Like 1500 token is available. Now let's try to claim an airdrop. I'll come back here. I'll go back to the account number. So click here, go back to the account number 2, and you will find that I already have the token. So I'm in account number 2. You can see that I have 90 token and I have enough fund which I can use to claim the token. So I've connected with account number 2. I'll give a quick reload. Just wait. Here I'm giving the quick reload. Now I can simply able to claim the airdrop. So I have connected with this account. Now click on this reload one more time. So every single thing would be reflecting fine. So here the data is taking a little bit time, and finally we got that one, and I can easily able to make the airdrop. So right now I don't have the address, so I can simply click here in the claim airdrop, and here the transaction is in the process. So just wait. Once the transaction will complete, we're going to receive the airdrop. So we are claiming 50 token, and that's what we have. So click here, confirm, and it's going to reflect here. So just wait. Finally, here it is going to reflect. I can click on my Phantom wallet and you will find that I got the token. It's 140 token we have available. So this is how you can make the successful airdrop. Now, if you want to share your referral ID, which you can do it very easily. So if you come back here, you got your referral ID, you can simply copy that one. And I can simply come back to the account number 3. And this time I'm going to make a call with the referral. So you can see I have enough fund. I have this much token. So all I have to do is to simply paste the referral ID and hit enter. You will find that it's going to reload the page. And there you will have, it will automatically select the referral address and it's going to give the airdrop. So click on this claim with referral, and here we are transaction. All we have to do is to simply confirm the transaction. So click on confirm, and here the transaction in the process. So once the transaction will complete, you will be claiming your airdrop, and that particular user will get the referral. So we got the data about the referral. You can see the 2 participant total distribution we have done is 120 referral we have provided. So every single thing is looking fine. That's how you can launch your Airdrop DApp, and you can allow the user to perform the transaction, and they will get the referral commission as well as the token for performing the airdrop. So I hope you have understood that what are the feature and functionality we have included and how every single thing is working. If you have any question, any doubt, do let me in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help you in that. And make sure to come back here and create your token with this, or this is the advanced token creation project. We have this one, this one, this one. This is the token swap DApp we have. And here you will find that if you want to launch your ICO, where you want to allow the user to buy your token, you can simply go with this particular project. You can check this one as well, this one as well. So tons of project we have. We have this airdrop and we have the Solana staking. So tons of Solana project we have, which you can explain. NFT creator, NFT marketplace. So this is how you can launch your own token airdrop DApp, where you can allow user to claim the airdrop. So that's the only thing I want to cover. If you have any question, any doubt, let me in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.